Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. Today's video, I want to talk about Django over JavaScript. Already put up that video why Python Django over JavaScript. One thing I want to mention is what I do when it comes to learning new stuff is to do a top level overview of books. This one came out as a top uh, resource online. The Django Definitive Guide to Django Web Development Done Right. It's hosted on MIT, so it's free. Seems to cover everything that you want in Django. Generally, 2 books might be needed for the diversity of the books and topics of big languages like the Django or frameworks like the Django and JavaScript. But it appears to me people are very hesitant to work with JavaScript entirely, as mentioned in this one video I've just posted. Also, when it comes to just JavaScript, just if it's done right cleanly, where there's an actual adult in the room that sets standards and doesn't let these so-called quote unquote programmers put band-aids together, the Django is probably the better way because it's just tighter standards and it's also done in Python as well. So it's harder to um, mess things up as with JavaScript, specifically in React. So one of the frameworks I'm using for the dashboard on the new site will be Metronic, supposedly the number one framework out there, very clean. They have a front end for many frameworks, including the Django and Flask from Python. Something to look at. Thought I'd put it all together and let you know, and we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching.